Good morning, guys. I am starting off the day just getting myself put together a little bit. I've halfway made the bed, so I'm gonna finish that up. Oakley is down for his first nap of the day, and so I am just gonna go put some makeup on, put my outfit of the day on, and then I have a few little chores I need to get done while Oakley's napping. So I'm gonna get those things done, and then I'll hop back on here and explain to you what the plan is for the day today. So I just got my makeup all done, my outfit on for the day. I might go change my shirt. I don't know, I'm not feeling this. But yeah, I'm all ready for the day. But I did want to share with you guys the mascara that I use, because I get questions about it a lot, mostly over on Instagram, but I thought I'd share it with you guys here. So the mascara that I use every day is the L'Oreal Voluminous. I've been using this for a long time. But the key is to use the primer first. Guys, look at my nails. I need to get them done so bad. But yeah, so use the primer first and then let it dry and then go in with your mascara. So this is what I use for mascara. And then I also get questions about my lipstick a lot. And I use the MAC, I use MAC Creme Sheen in Modesty, and this is my go-to everyday lipstick. And then for everything else, I use Savvy Minerals by Young Living. So this is my foundation, blush, bronzer, eyeshadow, everything is Savvy Minerals, except for concealer. I use Hint Beauty, and I believe this is in shade Light. And then I also use Hint Beauty for my eyebrows. So I'm all ready for the day. Oakley is still taking a nap. And while he's taking a nap, I'm going to go ahead and make him some sweet potatoes. So he's been eating avocados for the last several days. And now we know that he is good to go with avocados. So we're gonna introduce him to his second food, which is gonna be sweet potatoes. And I think he'll probably like them a little bit more than the avocados, at least I hope so. But I'm going to use the Instant Pot to cook him some sweet potatoes, so I'll show you guys how I use the Instant Pot to cook sweet potatoes. So to make the sweet potatoes, I put this rack in the bottom first, and then I'm pouring in 1 cup of water. And then these are kind of smaller sweet potatoes, but I've got 4 of them, and just putting them in the Instant Pot, and then put the lid on, and then pressure cook for about 15 minutes. It is 12 o'clock and I haven't eaten anything today. I'm really bad about eating breakfast at a decent time. I usually just kind of wait until I get hungry, and I don't usually get hungry until later in the day, which is not good. But so for breakfast slash kind of a first lunch, I'm gonna have 2 of these little cutie oranges and a Perfect bar. We really like the Perfect bars. Emmy really likes them as well. They're just jam-packed full of really, really good ingredients. And they're clean ingredients, and there's a lot of protein in them. This is the almond butter one, but the chocolate crisp one is really good. And then Andrew says that the coconut almond one is really good as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this right now. I'm not even sure how long Oakley's been asleep for, but he is just sleeping the day away. He's so sweet though. Hopefully this means that he'll be in a good mood for the rest of the day so we can get all our errands run and do the things that we need to. But look at what just came in the mail. Farm Girl flowers. These are so fun to get. I've gotten them one other time before. So let's open them and see what they look like. These little flowers are so beautiful, and I got them from a sweet Young Living friend of mine. So that was really, really sweet. Look how pretty they are. And they smell so good. That was really sweet. I don't know if you guys can hear him, but he's in there just talking to his little hands. He's so sweet. All right, I'm gonna go and get him, and then I'm gonna nurse him and feed him a little bit of the sweet potato I just cooked him, and then we're gonna get in the car and we're gonna finally get to our errands. Good morning, sweetie. Hi. Good morning. Oh, you took the best nap ever, didn't you? Yeah. You slept so long. Was that a good nap? Yeah. Are you ready to eat? Say hi, guys. Say hello. Oakley is pushing 20 pounds these days. We weighed him the other night and he's just continuing to grow, which is good. It means he's eating good and he's healthy, but having a chunky baby is new to me. Emmy was not a chunky baby. She was always more on the thinner side, so having such a chunk. Oh, also, this guy turned 6 months yesterday, so gosh, time flies and they grow up so fast. I cannot believe it. I feel like just yesterday you were born. All right, so I just nursed Oakley, and he is getting so hard to nurse these days because he's so distracted by everything. So I covered his eyes and I got him to nurse. So he's probably not gonna be super hungry for the sweet potatoes, but I'm just now introducing him to solids. So if he even just tastes a little bit of it, you know, that's good enough. So says, give me that sweet potato. Give me that sweet potato. You're so cute. All right, Baba, you ready? Second child problems, huh? Okay. You ready? Look, you ready? Look. Bite. What do you think of that? Try it again? No, that's funky. You want to bite? What do you think? What do you think of it? We have finally gotten into the car and we have gotten to our first destination of the day. I had meant to like inform you guys of what our plans were for the day a long time ago, but anyways, doing it now. So today the plan is, Andrew's getting Oakley out of the car for me. So I forgot to tell you guys, but Emmy actually spent the night at my mom's house last night, so that's why it's been super quiet. So we are gonna get some things done. We're gonna run a few errands, and the biggest stuff that we're doing today is garden related. So it's finally sunny out. It is 83 3 degrees. We're at Tractor Supply and we are going to look at fencing for the garden. We're not sure if we're gonna go with electric fence or just regular fencing to keep the deer and other little critters out. So we're gonna be looking at Tractor Supply first, and then we're gonna go over to Lowe's and we're gonna look at some plants. We did grow a few plants and I'll show you guys how those are progressing, but not all of them grew. Some of them didn't make it because we're noobs and we don't really know what we're doing. So we're gonna just buy some plants and then also use the few that did grow. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm gonna carry Oakley through the store rather than leave him in the car seat because his poor little head is, we've noticed if we leave him in the car seat for too long, I mean not even a long amount of time, but just going through the grocery store or through any store, his head kind of flattens out. So I'm gonna put him in the carrier while we're not in the car. So we just got done at Lowe's and Tractor Supply and Andrew spent all of our money on plants. You went crazy. Just kidding, I spent all our money on plants. So we have electric fencing now and we bought quite a few plants from Lowe's. So we just showed up at my mom's house and we're gonna go down, well first I'm gonna have a little Oakley break and feed him. And then we're gonna go down to the raised beds. They don't have dirt in them yet. We're getting that delivered, not delivered, I think we have to pick it up. But we're gonna get that sometime this weekend, maybe tomorrow. But we're gonna go down to the raised beds and kind of like place the plants we just bought and kind of like plan. Guys, we have no idea what we're doing. We were in Tractor Supply. That was probably pretty entertaining if somebody like were there watching us, but yeah, we had no idea what we were doing. We're just kind of figuring this all out and it's fun, so nobody watching this who has experience, judge us because we're admitting we don't know what we're doing. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do next. Is this fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that good vegetable?
Yeah, you want to see them?
Yeah.
Yeah, we bought some vegetable plants. Would you like to see them?
Yeah.
Okay.
And eat them.
They're not ready to eat yet.
Why?
Because they have to grow. These are just the plants, and then the plants will grow the vegetables. Tonight for dinner, we're keeping it super simple, and we're having ground turkey with black beans and corn and some taco seasoning. And then this is just a tortilla. I'll show you guys the tortillas that we got. These are the tortillas that we got. I'd heard really good things about them. They're organic tortillas, and the ingredient list is like half of what you'll find in your other tortillas. So really excited to try these tonight. And then Emmy is gonna have mac and cheese. Where is she? She's gonna have mac and cheese for dinner with some turkey and some watermelon. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
And then this is the mac and cheese that Emmy's gonna have for dinner tonight. Everyone's hands in the shot. And then this is the hot sauce that I'm gonna put on my burrito. This is the Trader Joe's Green Dragon hot sauce. I think it's more like, it has more of an Asian flair. Oh my. It has more of an Asian flair, but it still is really good on Mexican food. It is around 7:15 and we have all finished dinner. Andrew and Emmy are actually downstairs finishing up, but I brought Oakley upstairs and I'm gonna put him in the bath really quick and then get him ready for bed and then put him to bed. I have a, oh gosh, this baby's so heavy. I have a business meeting that I need to hop on as soon as I put him down for bed, so I'm kind of trying to wrap up my night. So I'm going to wrap up the video here as well. It's been a good day today. It's been a very busy day, but I think it's pretty productive. We got a lot of stuff done. Everybody was in pretty good moods for the most part, so that always makes for a good day. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any videos that we upload here in the near future. We've been uploading pretty consistently on Tuesdays and Fridays, so you can count on videos going out those days. And make sure you're following us on Instagram at allie_gooch to keep up with us there on a more day-to-day basis. Love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Say bye. Bye.